Nothing! I told you it's not gonna work! And I would be talking about the robot parts. This is the brain of the robot, which is very important because a robot cannot live without a brain, like we can't live without a brain. This helps it detect wherever it does go. And this is the motor, which it helps it move. And it can also detect it where to move. So if I move here all the way to there, that's what it would do. And so the color sensor would detect the color that you would pick. First you have to select the color, let it go, then it would detect any color in here that's blue. And that's what the color sensors do. This is, I call it bad eyes. This is my favorite part about the robot because to me bad eyes are really cool. And if I lost my favorite pair of high heels, sparkling purple high heels, it would find it in somewhere in the room and it would bounce off, then come back and it would help me a lot.
Hi, my name is Rick. I'm going to explain how this cart works. This cart is specifically assigned to dump a ball into the elevator. The ball is activated by the color sensor, which only senses red, which is why we have to use a red ball. Now, go to Luis.
Hi, my name is Luis, and I will talk about the railings. I made these railings so the cart would go straight instead of tilting to the right a little like it did the first time.
Hi, I'm Ava and I'll explain how the elevator works. The elevator was designed by Rohil and programmed by me. The way it works is that first the cart dumps the red ball into the elevator. It goes in through here. The ultrasonic sensor senses it. It goes up 2 levels, goes to the track, and then it goes back down. It goes back down into the track.
Yeah. And hi, my name is Rohil, and I designed this because when the elevator goes up, we couldn't pass it on to our next project, and I didn't just direct it directly down because it'd be too boring. So I just made it go sort of. Yeah. The hardest part was actually finding where this went. My friend was making sure that the elevator didn't like slant, so he had to build this and this in between it so it didn't move.
Hi, my name is Christopher, and I designed the catapult. I also programmed it. And the catapult actually had many different versions. It was originally just a Lego tank with claw on it to fire. But we decided that it was like too much weight for it, and it took up too much space for this. So we decided to just put it as a brain. And when it rolls down the track, this color sensor sees it and it fires it into the fork. The most difficult part for this was tweaking this so it can fire good, and also the aim, because sometimes it would miss the forklift.
Hi, my name is Spencer and I programmed this robot. This robot is a forklift. It is programmed to go up, turn, and actually turn, go up, then give it to the ball. It uses chains because my first model had a gear on the side over here and it had a stick with little gears in it. So it would go up, but when it goes up, it would be only over here, and you would have to have it tight. So that's why it's this. This box has a ultrasonic sensor in the middle to sense it the ball when it comes in, so it knows when to turn and go up. This is a compass sensor because when we first did it, it wasn't turning at the correct moment. So it makes it more efficient when it turns. The most complex part, I would probably think, was making this box to connect to the chain. So we got a little piece. So I have a little chain here that connects to the chain. And now I will have Zane explain the program.
Hi, my name is Zane and I programmed this robot. What it does when the catapult hits it in here, it kind of senses it to turn here and make it go up. And the compass sensor right there, it's more precise. And sometimes it can there or over here right in the middle, or sometimes a different place. This is how it works. Yes! Hello, my name is River and I help design the claw. Under the claw right here is a color sensor which detects the color red. Anything in front of it, if there's anything in front of it that's red, the claw will close.
My name is Mateo. As you said, it only reacts to the color red. It snaps shut. And it needs a precise number of rotations, and it picks it up and turns around and puts it on this contraption.
I think the most difficult part of this is that whenever it was up here, sometimes it would close, but it wouldn't make it in. And it would just continue, but without the ball. So then you have to restart it. And then wait for it. And then now, that works.
And then it passes on to Zane's little contraption and then Spencer's railroad.
Hi, me and my associate, Spencer, have built this contraption. What it does, it takes the ball that came from the claw onto here, takes it up, and the ball rolls down into here. Spencer?
Hi, it's me, Spencer. What I designed it to do, I built a stand for the color sensor so it can stand up and look at the ball, especially the color red. So when it brings it up, it brings it up to here, and it stops at these poles and turns it up so the ball will come out. My original design, it would make swerves to go into the bottom, but it could not make it into this part because it was on the floor. So we lifted it up and instead it stands up. I think the most difficult part of this whole thing was building this contraption to hold the NXD, to hold this, and to make sure that this would fit here. Now I shall demonstrate with a ball.